My new little friend. I just bought him a toy. Or us a toy, I guess you'd say. Not your first day? Easily amused. And easily distracted. Get it? And this little guy is not rabbit friendly. He'll give them a heart attack. Just gonna sit in the middle, huh? Let's see how well that works for you. No? Yes? No? Okay. Hit it again, you're just gonna hope that it does it on its own. There you go. You're learning. Easily entertained. $15 well spent. Hey. He's about 6. I got him from the shelter. Yep, he's very lovable. And easily entertained. I guess I am too. Not your first rodeo, is it? You should keep it spinning one way. It could be fun. Yeah. Alright, well, he's not bored now. Neither am I. Thanks for watching.